Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we are going to do some listening practice. Now, I am going to tell you about my weekend. Weekend means Saturday and Sunday. That's the weekend. Okay? And at the end of the video, I will ask you 2 questions to check if you understood. Okay? So let's get started. Number 1, Saturday. On Saturday, I went to the sports shop and bought 3 baseball gloves. And then I went to the park to play catch with my sons. Number 2, Sunday. On Sunday, my sons and I woke up very early, around 5:30. Then we went to the ocean and went fishing. I caught 2 fish. I was very happy. All right, everyone. Now it's question time. So here we go. Question number 1. What did I do on Saturday? A. I went swimming. B. I played catch. C. I watched a movie. What is the correct answer? It was B. I played catch. If you chose B, very good. Okay? Question number 2. How many fish did I catch on Sunday? A. 2 fish. B. 3 fish. C. 5 fish. What is the correct answer? It was A. 2 fish. If you chose letter A, then good job. All right, everyone, we are finished for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Take care.